Hello, good afternoon. Nandito na kami sa pinakamataas na view deck ng Eiffel Tower. Ayan na po yung view natin. At super lamig at napakalakas ng hangin. Parang lilipad na yung mga cellphone. Super lamig po dito sa pinakatap. Ayan po yung entire view ng Paris. From Eiffel Tower, this is Lensly and Chomolsky. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Merci beaucoup. Buongiorno.